Atlantic City, scene of the famed Miss America beauty pageant. Here's the parade of states. And the lovely winner, South Carolina's Marion McKnight, Miss America 1957.
I was so wonderfully happy, and that was only the beginning.
Next stop, New York. Naturally, Miss America needs a little help with her luggage. But some things she carries herself. The treasured Miss America crown, her favorite beauty soap.
Wherever I go, they go. With so many personal appearances, I'm constantly changing costumes and makeup. That's why I really need a mild, gentle soap like Camay.
New loving pink Camay. So exquisite, so fragrant. Here's Miss America again. Her exquisite complexion is a glowing tribute to Camay. It's truly the soap of beautiful women. New loving pink Camay.
The soap that says I love you to your skin.